T-minus 1 minute and counting.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
We're now just awaiting the SpaceX launch director to confirm that they are, in fact, go for launch.
Launch director, go for launch.
And a good confirmation there from the SpaceX launch director. "30 seconds. "15 seconds. And here we go in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the StarLink 6-95 mission. Falcon 9 has cleared the tower.
Power and telemetry nominal.
Vehicle is supersonic.
Falcon 9 traveling faster than the speed of sound, more than a minute into flight, coming up on max Q, the point of greatest aerodynamic pressure.
Max Q.
Good confirmation of max Q. Should next hear a call out regarding the thermal conditioning of the rocket's Merlin vacuum engine on the upper stage.
MVAC chill.
There's that confirmation of MVAC chill. We're coming up to a few events in fairly rapid succession. We'll see first stage main engine cutoff, or MECO, at about T plus 2 minutes and 25 seconds into the flight. That'll be followed by stage separation, and then the ignition of that Merlin vacuum engine. The payload fairings will jettison about 3 minutes into flight. Some really nice tracking work by the team today. About 5 seconds to MECO. There you see MECO.
Main engine cutoff.
Stage separation confirmed.
MVAC startup.
Some really nice views of the cold gas thrusters in work from Pete's tracking camera there on the left-hand side of your screen. Focusing there on the fairing separation.
Fairing separation confirmed.
Really clear with the lighting today. Quite nice. A little more than 3 minutes into flight. Given the position of the sun, you've got a good vantage point seeing both of those fairing halves tumble away from the Falcon 9 rocket's upper stage. Here's a good overview shot of all 4 pieces of the Falcon 9 rocket right now. The booster, the 2 fairing halves, and the rocket's second stage powered by that Merlin vacuum engine. There's a good solo shot of the booster. We'll continue to try and track this through the point of the entry burn beginning. Given the clouds that are still hanging around the Space Coast, it Might get a little trickier as the booster gets closer to the horizon line, but we will do our level best to stay with the booster here as long as we can. Got Adam and Chuck continuing to follow along with the rocket's second stage, so we'll revisit that as we get closer to our final shots of the booster here. A little more than 4.5 minutes into the flight, or just about 4.5 minutes at this juncture. The 3-engine entry burn is set to begin at about T plus 6 minutes and 7 seconds into this flight. And a really nice view from the SpaceX onboard cameras. You can see the setting sun hitting those clouds down below. Just about 1 minute remaining before the start of that 3-engine entry burn. Now past 6 minutes into the flight, we're just a few seconds away from the entry burn
Stage
beginning.
1 FTS has safed.
And there you see it.
Startup.
Well done, Pete.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown. Stage 2 FTS has safed.
Now a little more than 7 minutes into flight. SpaceX is turning its attention next to the single-engine landing burn. It's set to begin just past the 8-minute mark into this mission.
Stage 1 transonic. Stage 1 landing burn.
Stage 2 terminal guidance.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And a beautiful sunset touchdown for B-1077, completing its 25th trip to space and back.
MVAC shutdown.
Nominal orbit insertion.